Struggling to find the Export button in Zoho Books? Export all your items in just 5 clicks. I'll show you exactly where to click. Follow these simple steps to export your items quickly. First, open Zoho Books in your browser and log in if you haven't already. Then, in the left sidebar, click on Items to go to the Items list. Now, click on Items again to ensure you're on the correct page. Next, click the 3-dot menu icon next to the item you want to export. From the drop-down, select Export Items to open the export options. Finally, click the Export button to download your items file. And that's it. You've successfully exported your items. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.